Ini kita mau coba buah apa ini? Oh, red grapefruit. Besarnya segede ini. Setengah mukanya Justin.
Wow.
Nah, kita buka. Ih, saya tidak. Wow.
What's this?
It's a red grapefruit.
Yummy.
Yummy. Do you wanna open it?
Yes. Let's see how it tastes like, Mommy.
Mm-hmm.
I will smell it.
Can you smell it? Good.
Yummy.
Ini dia kulitnya tuh tebal ya.
Wow.
Saya nggak tahu.
Eat it out. No.
Telinga. Is it good or no? Not good.
Good.
Asam.
Yeah.
Buset, asam banget.
Grapes.
It's not grapes, it's grapefruit.
Grapefruit.
Enak. Asam.